what's happening? So I hope you remember few days back Layden and Poonam put me into a situation where I had to show whatever was in my bag. So and in that video actually they told me that they're gonna give me a gift. That was a coffee and a very nice pen that I was expecting, but I've not got anything from them. And now I'm thinking to backfire on them. So, I just had a call with one of our client, and actually they were praising Layden. They were happy with all the works that we have done, and I am thinking to put Layden into a situation where I'm gonna tell her that his client is not happy, project is in danger because of her few miscoordinations that she have done. And Anusha is there. Anusha, hi, and she's gonna help me out to take some reactions out from her. So, guys. Now we are starting the vlog and we're gonna call Layden and let's see how this pranks come out. Actually Poonam is not there, Poonam is on off, so Layden is the target today. So Anusha, take some good reactions, okay? Yeah, send Layden please. Let's be serious, okay? Yeah. Afternoon, how are you? Later, yeah, I spoke to that Mr. and Mr. So the Gurgaon client. Yeah. So some things are not working out. Yeah. Actually, they called me and they were like, actually they called me and they were like, there's a problem that we communicated with Layden that our budget is we need a good design and everything, but the budget that we have presented in the BOQ is quite high. It's like double the expectation they had. So. And they are like, we communicated with Layden.
So
we
they
already
called you
told
for that?
Yeah. And they were like, we won't be able to carry forward like that. They might cancel the project or move with somebody else.
Oh my god, sir.
They are flexible with a good budget. So that the same way I did the project.
So yesterday I had words with them.
Then it's a serious situation. Yeah.
So
you are not concentrating on your work properly, or you are not, and your communication is not going right. Layden, I am so frustrated right now. This is not done. My company's reputation and all my hard work on that project is gonna be spoiled now because they are not ready to proceed further in this budget, and it is actually a big mistake and a big miscommunication by you.
The things are not clear about the budget. Oh my god. He literally spoke to me yesterday, Anusha. You know what, the customer? He was so delighted. He told me that I want to finalize. I like the design. I want this same design in my house. Okay, I would like to speak with Mr. Mohit Anand also. I said, sir, I have told you the client, and he wants to speak directly to the sir, and he's saying these things to him.
Right answer. I am not looking for justifications right now.
So can I explain?
Yes, please.
So I spoke to them yesterday.
Yeah.
They told me that they want to finalize the project.
Yeah.
They saw each and every detail mentioned on the BOQ. They asked me, oh Layden, is this the budget? I said, yeah sir, like I told you, it would come up around this figure. They were like, it's okay. This situation has never happened here in Matte Design.
So how it happened now? When I do the conceptualizing, that time you know the budget, you can calculate it right. That time you have the whole team with you. I'm gonna eat the designers also now.
Situation happens, so you tell me so what I should do, because I don't know. This situation never happens, sir.
I think what you should do is you should give me my gifts back. But you promised that day and I didn't get it.
What gifts, sir?
That day you took all the things out of my bag, you vlogged it and everything.
Yeah.
Huh? Promise me something? For the coffee, the pen, where is it?
So me and Poonam will buy you a pen, yeah sir. I know.
Will you do that?
Yeah.
Alright, that is good because it's a prank. I'm just great.
God, sir, you scared me.
Yeah, no, I spoke to the client, they're
Where's
fine.
the camera? Oh.
There is the camera, I'm recording it.
I need to breathe. Sorry, because yesterday me and Poonam had a conference call with the customer. He was really delighted, overjoyed, you can say, that oh my god, this Mohit has created this thing for me. I would like to meet him. Oh, sir.
No, it is fine. It is fine. It's just that I'm grilling you and the camera is here. So, guys, you can see I have backfired and I have actually taken the right revenge that I should have taken, because these guys are getting naughty day by day and they are actually, enjoying this vlogging setup. So, I'm also doing it. And guys, are you enjoying vlogging?
Oh, I'm standing up, so scared now.
So, hope you guys like, subscribe, and share my videos. And I'll see you in the further vlogs. Alright, bye bye. Yes.
I never thought that I would be pranked.
She is pranked. Today, finally, officially, and it's recorded. Guys, bye.